So suddenly the tomatoes have seemed to gone mad. This is a bush tomato called, I think it's Grushkova. It has, when they ripen, here they're not ripe yet, but beautiful pinks, sort of plum shaped tomatoes, and it is absolutely covered in fruit. There we go, around this side of it, you can see that one as well. And then next we've got cherry tomato. So this is coming along quite nicely. Some lovely basil next to it, which is going to be lovely with the tomatoes. And this is a new one for us. This is a zebra. Now this has been billed from real seeds as being the tastiest tomato. So they have lovely stripy fruits, and apparently you can tell when they're ripe because the yellow shows through the tomatoes. So that one isn't far off. And again, quite a few fruits on it. The next one that we have, we've got two here. We've got one here and one over here. Now one of these is an Alicante. That's this one here. And it's got loads of fruit coming on it as well. And this one then is a Shirley. And look at all the fruit on that one. Very, very pleased with how the tomatoes are looking. And then my gardening partner here has gone a bit mad on their old cucumbers. So cucumber, some of these are gherkins, and there's some on the side there. And the other thing she went a bit mad on was peppers. Peppers, fantastic. So that's greenhouse number 1.